Hey, it's the AK Option Trader with a very rare Monday video. I just want to go through the spider sectors and show you something. I had so many charts to look at. Figured it'd be the quickest way to do it would be through a video. So let's jump in here real quick. Here's XHB, Spider Home Builders. You can see it's coming up on support here. Broke down, broke through our wedge, pretty strong. Could find support at this 50% line, but I think we're on a breakthrough. Things are looking weak. And the reason I say that is the XLB, which is the materials. Look at that. Very bearish. Gap down, drop down, beat some fibs out. Going down, probably find support in here. I still say down. I called this one down yesterday. XLE. And it gapped down and dropped down. Found a little support here. If this breaks, we're going to drop down here to 43.93. XLF. I also called this one yesterday for a drop. I love how it came back up, touched the 200 moving average. Doji Star, moving on down. Probably find a little bit of support here, not a lot. We're probably looking more support down in this area here in the 950 area. XLI. Another one. This is industrial spiders. Broke through this fib, broke down, came back up, touched the 200 moving average, drop. I think see this thing dropping. All right. All bearish. XLK, except for this one. This one intrigues me the most. I looked through all my top 10 techs today. They all looked really bearish. Then I come back and look at the XLK, which is the tech spider, and it's actually coming up on a support line, albeit not a great support uptrend line. It is one, but I could see it breaking this. It touched it and bounced back off of it. This is one I've had on there for a while. If it breaks that, breaks this 50, we're going to come all the way down to the 200 moving average. I see nothing standing in the way of that. XLP. Look at this one's prime for a drop right here. You had a little bit of a bear flag, retested the 200 moving average with the Doji Star. I think that's going to drop like a rock. Another one touching the Doji on the 200 moving average. Looks like it's ready to drop. And XLV. This one looks really primed to drop, even though it's sitting on the 200 moving average. I love this reversal. Got a morning star, evening star type thing formation out here off the top Bollinger Band underneath the fib line. Looks like it's ready to drop. I see it retesting all the way down here to at least the 24.75, if not down 23.50 area. Finally, the XLY. And this one is the consumer staples. Looks like it. Remember this wedge I called? It's going to break out of this wedge here. This is a bear flag, and we always look for these big candles on a bear flag. Gap down, big candle coming on down, and it looks like it's probably going to drop on down to the 200 moving average once it breaks this fib here. We could have a little bounce tomorrow due to the big sell-off. If we gap down, I'd probably pay some calls in the morning coming up. If we open sideways or open up a little, I'd probably be looking for a sell-off. Anyway, I just wanted to throw that in there, real quick video, because I didn't want to have to show all these charts one by one. So I hope it made sense to you. It just looks extremely bearish. Even if we have 1 or 2 up days, I still think we are in for a major sell-offs. And like I said, I looked through all the tech, all my tech, my top 10 tech, look pretty stinking bearish. So that XLK chart interests me a lot. So this is AK Option Trader signing off with the rare Monday video. Trade well and prosper. Trade short. Don't expect a lot from me this week. I have to travel up north for a soccer tournament. Not for me, for my children. Trade well and prosper.